Transformers reviews, tech and the news, whatever else I use as a muse. Hit subscribe, I appreciate the views. Influences interest on YouTube.
Hey, Influence here. Here's the reverse transformation of X-Transbots Ratliff. You want to try best as possible to get this back panel up. Will come in handy. Go. Fold this down, fold this down, fold this back, fold this back. This can fold in a little bit, but won't fold in all the way. There you go. Undo that, undo this right here. Now, as you pull this out, you can pull these out as well. And then that helps this go all the way down. Because when you push it in, it pushes it up. So that's pretty cool. These around here like that. Move this around here like this. Make sure this is all the way in. And then move this up like that. Now pull this up a little bit. Pull this stuff up on the hinge here. Pull this up. You can pull this down. Pull these down. Float that out. Pull this down a little, because then you want to rotate this stuff in like this. Rotate it in, kind of move it up. And now all this stuff will rotate. So the windshield rotates around like that. If you got this correct. Move that. Then this will move it all the way around. And then this actually rotates as well. Like this. And this is hard, but be careful. Get it away from everything. There you go. This also has to move. So now, I think kind of the more difficult part is moving this piece around, all of this. Kind of get it around there like that. Look kind of easy, but it's a bunch of stuff and a bunch of stuff hitting in this hinge. Then you kind of don't worry about this stuff yet. Work on the legs, spread these apart. Peg here, get that out of here. There we go. Can move that back down. Then you might as well flip this up. Spin this around like that. Then it flips all around like that. Same thing over here. Flip that. Get this peg out. Spin that around. Flip that in there like that. This is floppy. You could probably get this together just so it's not flopping all around. So these are supposed to be like this. You want this bent down like that, and then this whole thing flips in like this. This piece flips up. And then this goes in here. Let me see. Let me work with one side. After you flip that down how you're supposed to, then you flip it around like this. And this piece is on a ball joint. Just like that. And then there's a hole that you can peg this in. Right there. I believe it pegs in right there. It's tight. Then you have a peg there. All this stuff still. Waste parts. Move that out. Push that down. That's good. Then in the end, this peg right here is going to peg onto there, but you can worry about that. So let's worry about this again. Move this back down. Peg this up. Move this out the way. And peg this there like that. So you can see, now you got all this like this. Put this down. This peg right here will go into here. And peg right here, we're going to here. And all this will go into there. You can also move this way, but wait until you peg it in so you can see. So once it pegs in, then you can move that there. Then this flips around and pegs right here to create that. Over here is the same way. Get that in there. Put that there. The other one's like a blind peg. I don't think you can really see. Oh no, it's back here. My fault. It pegs onto the back. Don't know what I was talking about. Then you can flip that. Then flip this. Peg this together. Flip the arms back. Flip the arms back. Now this pegs on to here. Like this. And then this pegs in under there. Now finish off the legs, flip that out, get this down as far as you can, and then you can flip this around back into the calf. Make sure that pegs together. You can flip this back up. It's on like a double hinge, so just hinge it to the proper position. Same thing over here. Get that all the way down, spin this around. You can hinge this, and you see, kind of hinge it up and then push it. Then just bend that together. This right here, I don't like. Doesn't stay too great, but for the sake of just helping you get there, I'm gonna get there. Now for the legs, you do want to pull them out somewhat. It's like a double hinge. It is kind of hard. So you undo that as much as possible. It doesn't come all the way out until this is up. I don't like this mechanism. It feels like I'm going to pull something out. I don't know if there's a better way. I haven't found it. If there is, who knows? There we go. See that hinge right there? It's a hinge. It's like a double hinge in here. And you want that straight like this. Then you can push this back. Again, over here, I'm going to try to do it a little better. One side is usually better than the other. Yeah, this side was better. I don't know if I did it better or if it just was better suited. So get this back together. Hate that waist joint. And close to done. Pull the arms out. And then pull these hands out, which I'm sure are hard because they were hard to get in. They barely fit. Get the proper I hope this helped. Thanks for watching.
You know, life ain't no, life ain't no, life ain't no. As long as you alive, you can give another try and take it real high if you want.